The development of human industry can be divided into separate revolutions. First came mechanical innovation. Electrical power was introduced. And then computers and automation were thrown into the mix. We are now at the brink of a fourth industrial revolution, improving factories by applying smart sensors, artificial intelligence, and other emerging technologies. An important driver for the smart factory are AGVs, autonomous ground vehicles. These are fully automated driverless vehicles that can transport goods and machinery. However, all of these extra ingredients are causing the factory to become more complex and less transparent in the face of high demands for safety and efficiency. Humans and their robotic colleagues are in dire need of enhanced methods for information exchange. In other words, apart from the Factory 4.0, we also need the Operator 4.0. One solution comes in the shape of augmented reality. AR has the ability to curate and supplement the information we see in the world around us. This research was started by identifying specific processes in the factory and by gathering different ways of achieving an augmented reality interaction. Combining these two factors led to several promising solution spaces. One such solution space was selected and further developed. By placing a projector on top of the AGV, additional information about their trajectory and future actions can be displayed. This setup was tested in multiple scenarios, which showed that the projecting arrows improved perceived safety, improved assessment of the robot's future actions, and led to a desired response from the participant. This setup has the potential to strengthen the robot to user communication in a variety of ways. But projecting arrows in front of an AGV is already making them safer and better colleagues.